To use the features described in this video, you will need to use EverWeb 4.4 or higher for macOS or Windows. When you add a navigation menu widget to a page, the menu items now have a blue rectangle background. If you want to remove this background shape, or you want to change its color, start by going to the Shape Options tab in the Inspector window. The Shape menu option is set to default, which is the same as the rectangle shape. This is the shape that you see displayed behind the navigation menu items. In the Fill section, the Color Fill option is active, with the color swatch set to blue. You can change the color fill of the shape using either the color swatch or color wheel. If you do not want any background shape displayed in your navigation menu, change the Color Fill menu option to none. EverWeb lets you choose the background shape that you want for the navigation menu widget. In the Shape section, change the default option to the shape that you want to use. Use the navigation menu widget's button options in its widget settings to adjust the spacing and padding between each menu item. If you use either the default or rectangle shape in your navigation, you can round each corner of the shape as you want. To do this, first select the navigation menu widget, then go to the Shape Options tab. Check that the menu option in the Shape section is set as either default or rectangle. Next, click on the Custom Border Radius checkbox in the Borders section to activate the settings. Enter a value in each corner that you want to change. The navigation will update automatically as you make changes. EverWeb also lets you add mouse transitions to your navigation. To activate this feature, check the box to the left of the Mouse Transition and Animation section title. Choose the animation that you want. We recommend just using the mouse over animation, but you can also use a mouse down animation if desired. It is also recommended to set a transition time of 0. This will make the effect work immediately when the user mouses over or mouses down on a menu item. When applying an animation, use Preview to see the animation working. Also note that the effect will not be active for the menu item of the page you are currently on. The Apply Mouse Down Fill option in the navigation menu widget's widget settings has 3 available states: on mouse down, on current page, and on mouse down and current page. A mouse down fill can be applied to the selected state. To set this up, make sure the navigation menu widget is selected, then go to the Shape Options tab. In the Fill section, the default state is set to normal. Change this to mouse down. Next, choose the fill type that you want to apply when the user mouses down on the navigation. You can also use this option if you want to highlight the current page in the navigation. In this example, we are going to use a color fill. Once the mouse down fill has been set, go back to the navigation menu widget's widget settings. By default, Apply Mouse Down Fill is set to On Mouse Down. To test this, mouse down on one of the menu items in the navigation. The background color will change. Next, choose the On Current Page option. You will see the current page highlighted using the shape you have chosen. The last option, On Mouse Down and Current Page, combines the mouse down and on current page options together.